Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done water cycle, potable water, what is the need of potable water and main characteristics of drinking water. The main objectives of today are effect of temperature on the density and volume of water, terms used in the formation of a solution, solubility of a substance. We are going to start with topic of the day, that is change in density of water with temperature. Let's open page 102 of your book. Density of water. Water has a maximum density of 1 gram per cc at 4 degrees Celsius. Means water acquires its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is below and above this range, then the density is also increases or decreases. First point is, when the temperature is decreased, the density also decreases because it changes into ice. As we know, ice has lower density than water, so it floats on water. Here we can ask question, why does ice float on water? The answer is because density of ice is lower than density of water, so it floats on water. For more clarity of concept, pay attention on this figure. As the temperature decreases, the density of ice also decreases because the intermolecular space between the molecules of ice increases. As the molecules are far from each other, the density of ice also decreases. So, from this discussion, it is clear that ice has less density. In second case, when the temperature is increased, the density again decreases because the molecules of water take heat energy, and this heat energy converts into kinetic energy of molecules, due to which the molecules move away from each other. When they move away from each other, then the density of water decreases. For more understanding of the concept, watch this activity. When we squeeze the squeezing ball, its particles come close, that is, number of particles per unit area increases. Therefore, the density is more. As you can see, volume is less. When we increase the temperature of a substance, the particles move away from each other. Therefore, the particles per unit area is reduced. Hence, the density increases and volume decreases. Next topic is change in volume of water with temperature. We have studied that water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. But in case of volume, water has minimum volume at 4 degrees Celsius. Here also we consider two cases. What happens when the temperature decreases and increases? When temperature is decreased, volume increases. When temperature is increased, volume increases. Pay attention on this figure. When temperature is decreased, volume becomes maximum because density is minimum. For the clarity of the concept, pay attention here. This is the formula of density. Density is equal to mass per unit volume. Means density is directly proportional to mass and inversely proportional to volume. Means in first case, when density is more, mass will be more, and in case 2, when density is more, volume will be less, because they are indirectly related to each other. When one thing is more, another one is less. So in this case, temperature decreases and density becomes minimum, density is less and volume becomes more. Similarly, in case 2, As density is minimum, volume becomes maximum. Because density and volume are inversely proportional to each other. When volume is more, density will be less. This is all about effect of temperature on density and volume of water.